So in the previous video we wrote our first hello world code in Go, and we saw that we imported a package fmt. Now I just wanted to highlight on the import in this video regarding imports. So you can see that when we declared the package, there was no double quotes or single quotes around the name of the package. The name of the package was main, but when we import, so it has to be in double quotes. Now there are several ways to import a package. So one way was to like import fmt, and if we want to import another package, let's say the name of the package is math, so you can see we can import this way as well. The reason why we are getting this is because we are not using math over here. That is why we are getting this error. The another way of importing, or we can write this the above line, we can write something like this. Over here, if we have multiple imports, so we can just comment this, and over here we can have so this is another way of importing. Or we can have the combination of both. Let's say math is over there, fmt is inside and math is on the top. So this is also one way of importing, but I prefer it if there are more than one, so I just put it all together. And you can see that we don't have any comma or any semicolon in the end, and there is nothing in the end. This is how we import. Now the other thing is we can rename our imports. Let's say we have fmt, but I want to call it as f, so I can do something like this. So we imported fmt, but we renamed it to f, and now we will be using f everywhere in our code wherever we use the fmt package. And one more thing that we have is, one is the renaming, and the other one is we can import a package but we don't use it, which we call it as side effects. In fact, there is another package that we have already imported which will use that package. Let's say we want to write a code to connect to a MySQL database. So for that, we always have to import database/SQL. Now this package does not have the drivers to connect to MySQL, so what we do is we install the drivers now. So github.com/go_sql driver MySQL. Now the thing is, this we have to install using go get in this whole path. So what go will do is it will download this package for us, and then MySQL we have. So it has downloaded the package for us. Now because we don't want to use it directly, we will just give it underscore, so that Go compiler does not give us an error that it's an unused import. In fact, this driver will be used by database SQL to connect to the MySQL database. So this is called importing a package for side effects. We'll see an example later on in our videos how we can connect your database, and we'll install a driver, and we'll do something very similar what we just did right now. And just because we already installed a package, I want to show go.mod file that when we install a package, it will have an entry of the package that we have installed in the go.mod, and it has go.sum, so that when we share this package to someone else, they can just download all these specific packages, and there is no error in the versioning of the packages.